Good morning, good morning. Let's paint something intuitive today. I have here a 28 by 28 canvas. I'm just gonna drop the colors, a lot of green colors, and just see where it takes me. So this is a Jenkins green. Let's go here. A sap green. Let's divide the colors a little bit here on the canvas. Let's go with some green gold up there. And I've got a tightened pill. Taking my brush. Just want a kind of layered background, I think. With a little bit of different colors running through it. Now let's blend everything just a little. You see, we already got quite some layers here with different colors. That went super quick. Took me like 4 minutes. I'm gonna add some white to this. It's kind of playing around, really. It's fun. Let's go with some sap green. And darker there. Okay, we got some things going on, don't we? Let's take my smaller brush and bring in some leaves. Like I said, this one is intuitive, so I just need to do what I feel. So what I want to do is I want to go in with some quinacridone magenta, so that's a total different color than these greens, of course. That will be quite interesting. I'm feeling this design so far. You know what? I want to blend this here. We have one corner here that's very calm. I'm gonna make a gradient here for my brush. So with sap green, some permanent violet dark, and some of that quinacridone magenta. I don't know if that's gonna be nice, but let's see. That is quite nice. Don't like that. But I did that because I wanted this part crisp and it wasn't. Let's leave that for now. I like that. And here too. That. Ooh. It's getting maybe a little bit too much. Busy. So this is something I really learned the last year. How to fix things and how to just continue. And it really helps me because now most of the paintings, they work out. They end up being one I keep or one I want to sell. Look at that. It's all about creating all those layers. I think this is really beautiful. I would love to have like one small leaf up here, I think. Really liking this layered painting. Just one leaf that is more towards the foliage. That could be cool. Let's bring out a leaf from here, a huge one, going that way. You know, I'm really liking this painting because it has so many layers, so many lines as well. It's super interesting. Let's make one again here. Just don't mess it up. Just don't mess it up. Okay, so that looks terrible now, but I can paint that green when it's dry. Now this looks like a gorgeous flower, doesn't it? There are some parts that are quite messy in this painting, and you know what? That's okay. Let's just bring this like there. Yeah. All that's mattering now is the flow and the layers, and I'm loving it. Yeah, I think this one is quite exciting. Just gonna do one more and then I'm gonna stop and touch this one up when it's dry. Yeah, this is it. I'm gonna let this dry, fix it up after, show you the dried end result. I'll be back.